Hey, what's up you guys, it is Josh here. I hope that you are doing well, and today I'll talk about how to make $100 a day online with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to show you some of my affiliate marketing results. I have been making money with affiliate marketing since 2018, and it took me 1 year to get my first commission. So check this out. These are the total sales, $76,136, and I have been promoting this program, the Cash Flow 2.0. So right now, guys, I want to talk about this program, the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So this is the day 2 of the 3-day business challenge. So I'm recording my process with this program, and if you want to watch the first video, I'm going to put a link in the description. And so the second step, or the second lesson of the 3-day business challenge, so Jonathan talked about that we need to find an offer that we believe in, and also he talked about how to set up the automation workflow and how to connect ClickFunnels with getresponse. And I'm going to show you what is the work, and I'm going to show you right now my progress. And so he gave us a landing page, and I did this one. I'm going to click here on edit page so you can see this is my landing page, so I can collect leads. So I'm going to show you because he has good information. And for example, he gave us this landing page with ClickFunnels. I don't have ClickFunnels right now, I only have GetResponse, and that is why I built a landing page with GetResponse. And as you can see, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people put information here, they're going to be redirected to this page, the thank you page, and I have recorded a quick video. That is the step number 1. The step number 2 is they need to go to their email to download the ebook, and the step number 3 is if they want an instant access on how 22,000 students generated their first paycheck online, they're going to click here and they will be redirected to the offer, right? And I'm going to click here on next step because you need to have a list. And I'm going to show you, I create a list for this program, Freedom Breakthrough. As you can see, I have here my list, and then the only thing you need to do is you need to publish this, right? And the other thing that I work today, guys, because I want to show you everything, is that I started an automation workflow for this system. So right now I only have 1 subscriber, but it's going to get better. And when people subscribe to this list, GetResponse is going to send automatically this email. This is a welcome message with the ebook, and then I'm going to update this automation workflow every single day. I'm going to add more emails, right? I'm going to say and publish this one. And now I'm going to show you, this is the dashboard of the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate system. Today I have 1 referral and 4 clicks. That are my stats for this program, guys. So if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, guys. And I'm going to record my whole process so you can see my results. And talk to you soon, guys. Bye.